Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I can show you how to change date and time on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to open settings, then scroll down, and here you will find system settings. Scroll down, system settings, open it. Then choose date and time, disable set time automatically item, and here you can change the data for your phone. So for example, I want to switch to this time to fix my life mistakes, and you can change the time too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.